What is going on, everyone? It is Chance Trades Value back with another video. First off, I want to apologize that it's been over a month since I've posted my last video. To be quite honest, I haven't been trading, and that's okay. I needed a break. I think we all need breaks from certain things in life. But I just want to touch on a little bit about trading real quick. So, when you are trading, you're going to have days when you come up red, when you come up in the negative. It is your job and it is your duty to keep those losses as small as possible. And we're only human, we make mistakes, but if your loss gets above something that you are normally used to, it is okay. Just as long as you have money set aside, or you have enough money in your account to continue trading, you could make those losses back as long as you don't let this loss get to you. You can't let a loss affect your trading in the future. You can't just focus on, oh, I got to make that money back, because trading is gambling to a certain point if you don't follow your rules. So today I took my only and my first big red day of my life, and I've been trading for 3 years. You want to know? I took a $1,400 loss, and I'll touch briefly on what happened. Just for a couple minutes, I'll just touch briefly on it, just so you guys understand, and you can learn from my mistakes, because that's the whole reason of keeping things transparent, is because I want to provide value, and I want you guys to understand that we're all human, we make mistakes. Like I said, if you can prohibit making those mistakes, you're going to be better off in the future. So I was up $140. I bought 10 contracts. at $6.35 for $190, and then I sold them for $220. So $14 times 10 is $140. After fees, I netted about $130, just about there. So I waited another hour for things to prevent itself. I feel like lack of sleep has definitely been an issue. I haven't been getting good sleep, but excuses sound best to those that make them up, right? So I mean, I can give all the excuses in the book, but at the end of the day, like I said, don't let the loss get to you, but really fix the things that you messed up on, so you can fix them. Like right here, I journal every time I trade. Journal. You got to journal. Write down what you did, the date you did it, how much you gained or how much you lost, and write down the lessons you learned, and jot down everything, and it's important to do that right when you finish a green or a red trade, no matter what it is. It's important because everything is fresh in your mind. So in a month or in 2 months from now, you can go back and say, on this day, this is what I did. But to get back to the trades, about 5 contracts at 807 for $254 a contract, and 4 minutes later, at 812, I bought them about 5 more for $262. So basically, I got in right here, and I was up money. Honestly, I was up money. I was just right around the $100 mark, and I wanted to squeeze another 5 to 10 cents. But because it was making this rainbow, and I was thinking everything was down at the moment, but it just crossed over VWAP. That's why I got in. RSI wasn't too oversold. Everything, I honestly thought that it was going to go below right here, but I was wrong. I should have gone off of speculation. I should have gone off of more of what I know is appropriate and what I know is what will make me money. And today that I forgot that I'm a quick scalper, and that's how I usually trade. Get a 5-10 cent move, take profit. It's like that. But I wanted a 15-20 cent move. Ask me why. I don't know. Greed. Like another $50 was gonna make the difference, right? So I um, got in right here with 10 contracts basically, and it just, as you can see, it had barely any red candles, and I literally just watched it go up. I didn't think it was gonna keep going up, but it totally just went up, like completely went up, and I cut my losses right here, and that's really it. That's what it equates down to. So I hope you guys appreciate me being so transparent. I didn't have to let you guys know what happened, because that's what most people do. They just don't keep things transparent and make the people that are watching, make them think that trading is this get rich quick scheme, and they don't show the reality of technically what the worst that can happen. And this could have been much, much worse. Much worse if I would have held on for another 5-10 minutes. Trading is all physiological, it's all mental. Um, but I don't want you guys to think that I'm trying to just promote trading and promote that it's a get rich quick scheme and promote that it's easy, because it's honestly, it takes a lot of discipline, it takes a lot of experience to know what you're doing, and I recommend you do not invest any money until you know what you're doing. Um, but basically, that is it. If you guys watched till the end, which is now, type the number 9 down below. And if you got any value from this, you know, give the video a thumbs up, and I'm going to post another video when I trade again. Gonna try to get back on my routine of trading every day. That's when I'm most fluent. That's when I'm not so slow on my executions, because I honestly, I missed a 13 cent move. I got in. My entry was just not good. Not good. And that's it. That's really it. So I hope you have a blessed day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, the afternoon, nighttime, have a good day today. Have a good day tomorrow. And I will definitely talk to you guys soon. So I'm telling you that so you can expect a video. Like I said, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon. Thank you.